Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to set a stop loss on Trading 212. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to app.trading212.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log in with your credentials to access your trading dashboard. After logging in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. You'll see an option labeled Invest. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select CFD. This will switch you to the CFD trading mode, which is where you'll have access to advanced features like stop-loss settings. Now it's time to choose the stock or asset you want to buy or already own. You can browse through the available options or use the search function to quickly find the specific asset you're looking for. Once you've located it, click on it to open the trading interface. Next, click the Buy button to initiate a new order. This will open up the order configuration panel, where you can customize your trade settings before placing it. In the order panel, look for the section labeled Set Limit/Stop. You'll notice a toggle switch next to it. Click on this toggle to turn it on. Activating this feature allows you to set specific price limits for your trade, giving you more control over when your order executes. Once the toggle is enabled, you'll see a field where you can set your price. You can either type the exact price directly into the designated field, or if you prefer, use the plus and minus icons to adjust the value incrementally. This gives you flexibility in how precisely you want to configure your entry price. Below the limit price setting, you'll find the stop loss option. Turn this on by clicking its toggle switch. The stop loss is a critical risk management tool that automatically closes your position if the price moves against you by a certain amount. This helps protect your capital from significant losses if the market suddenly moves in an unfavorable direction. After enabling the stop loss, you can adjust the price if needed using the same method as before. Either type in your desired stop loss price directly, or use the plus and minus buttons to fine-tune it. Make sure to set it at a level that gives your trade room to breathe while still protecting you from excessive losses. Once you've configured both your limit price and stop loss to your satisfaction, it's time to finalize your order. Click the Place Buy Order button to submit your trade. Your order will now be active with the stop loss protection you've set up, giving you peace of mind knowing your risk is managed. And that's it. You've successfully set up a stop loss on Trading 212, which helps protect your investments from unexpected market movements. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.